Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through the exercises. I'll explain you the exercises which we had done yesterday and also very short question answers. 4 question answers are there of the chapter 5, the layers of the earth, and we will go through these, what is about the realms of the earth, or what is environment. All these 4 questions we will discuss it in this today's class, okay? And these 4 short question answers, you can call it short question also, brief question answer also, okay? So if it is written write brief question answers, then you will write that short question answers only. So you will be doing these question answers in your SST copy. And students, why do you ask again and again that exercises where we have to do it in the copy or not? When I have written it, you read the notice properly. I always write the notice that you have to write the exercises of the chapter in your SST book and diagram and question answers in your SST copy, fair copy. So you have to do it, the short question answers you will do it in your SST copy where you have made the diagram. On the plain page you have made the diagram, so in the lining ones you will do the short question answers, okay? And students, many of you you have not shown me the class test. Many of you have not given it, you not send it in to me. Why have you not attempted the class test? You give me the reason, okay, that why you have not attended the class test. And so we will just start it, our short question answers. So students, these are the exercises of chapter 5. I told you I'll explain it to you. So the ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet radiation of the sun. You can write ultraviolet radiation also, but ultraviolet radiation of the sun, this is the complete answer. The ozone layer, it protects us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Then second one is, our environment is very dynamic. It is very big. It is very vast. So our environment is very dynamic. Then the third one, fill in the blanks, is atmosphere is made of gases. Here little bit this G is not, it is rubbed out. So many of you have written double A. Okay, it is G, gases. So atmosphere is made up of gases. Then fourth one is, lithosphere consists of the crust. Means it is made up of crust. Then we have been able to discover how many species till date? 1.3 million species till date. Okay. See, once again I'll tell you, the ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Our environment is very dynamic. Atmosphere is made up of gases. Lithosphere consists of the crust. We have been able to discover 1.3 million species till date. Then circle the correct option. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. The dash has landforms, so the lithosphere has landforms. Dash moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle, so water moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle. The earth can be divided into 4 realms or spheres. And hydrosphere or biosphere consists of all the living things on our planet, so it is biosphere. So exercises we have done with, then we will come to the very short question answer of chapter 5, the layers of the earth. So students, the first question is, mention the 3 parts of the earth. We have to mention the parts. See, the question here are some confusing one. So you have to know it, what is part, what is realms, okay? So mention the 3 parts of the earth. So the 3 parts of the earth are core. Core means the innermost part. When we dig the earth, and the innermost part is the core. Then the middle part, it is the mantle, and the outermost part, where we see the earth, it is crust. Okay, the three parts of the earth are core, innermost part, mantle, middle part, and crust, outermost part. Then what is the basic component of biosphere? So what are the main things of biosphere? The basic component of biosphere are lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Then what is environment, students? Everything that we have around us, everything which we see around us, that natural things, not man-made things. So everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use, like we use water, mountains, we use crude oil, or we use minerals and all that. So that is form of our environment. Everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use form our environment. And the fourth question is, list the realms of the earth. So here also the realms means what? The spheres. The four realms of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. So these are the 4 question answers, short question answers, and this, where you are going to do it, you will do it in your S.St. fair copy, where you have drawn the diagram. Suppose you have drawn the diagram. Suppose this is the diagram you have drawn. First diagram was this, the layers of the earth. So if you have drawn it here in the plane, on the plain page, then from here you will start your chapter, and you will write the chapter name also, the layers of the earth. Chapter 5, the layers of the earth. In index also you will do the same. Chapter 5, the layers of the earth. Okay, and then you will write the very short question answers. And suppose you have done the second diagram in the second page, then in the second page whatever comes, detailed question answers or very short only, that also it is okay. So you have to complete this question answer and show it to me in the group, and with very nice writing. I have written with black only, but you will write question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Okay, you have to write the question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Okay, in your S.St. fair copy. Thank you.